So let's start today's class. In the previous class, we completed the exercise 3.3 and we discussed some question based on the single bar graph and double bar graph. In today's class, we are going to start a new topic in the last topic of this chapter, that is the chance and probability. What are the chance and what are the probability? Both terms, chance and probability, are related to our daily life. In many of the situations, we notice we use the word chance and probability. So we will discuss one by one. First, chance. चांस मीन्स जो भी हमारे आसपास डेली लाइफ में जो भी सिचुएशन से एवन होती हैं उनके जो रिजल्ट्स हैं उसके क्या चांसेस हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ टू टीम्स आर प्लेइंग अ मैच and I asked you what is the chance of one team win the match. Okay, so there are three different situations possible. The first situation, I asked, will the first team win the match? क्या first team match जीत जाएगी? So there are three situations. First situation, can happen, means हो सकता है but not certain. Okay. Second situation, certain means fix है, ये निश्चित है कि फर्स्ट टीम मैच जीत जाएगी. थर्ड सिचुएशन, इम्पॉसिबल मींस ये इम्पॉसिबल ही है कि मैच जीत जाएगी. सो आउट ऑफ दीज थ्री सिचुएशन we have to be the select the correct situation for this problem, that will the first team win the match. So what may be the correct? Impossible, that is wrong. Why wrong? मैच जीत भी सकती है फर्स्ट टीम. सेकंड सिचुएशन, सर्टेन मींस फिक्स है, ये डेफिनेटली जीत जाएगी. तो बट वी कैन नॉट से दैट ओनली फर्स्ट टीम विल द मैच. सेकंड टीम विल आल्सो can win the match. So it is not certain, depend on the performance of the second team. So this is also wrong. Next, we come to the third, can happen but not certain, means हो सकता है पर निश्चित नहीं है. So we can say what is the chance for the first team is can happen but not certain, जीत सकती है बट फिक्स नहीं है. So these types of finding the situations, finding the chance, these type of problems comes under the chance. We can also use, we can also discuss some daily life problems. The second is, if I have a toss, sorry, I have a die or dice we use in the snack letters on Ludo game. I throw a dice. I ask the question, what is the chance to getting the number 7? So what is the chance if I will get 7 number on the dice? Is it possible? It is definitely impossible, because on the dice there are number only 1 2 6, there is not the number 7. So that is the impossible event, means possible ही नहीं है. Second, is it possible I will get only the 4 number on the dice? Is it possible? It is, yeah, it is not. It is can happen but not certain, means possible हो सकता है कि हमें 4 मिले बट हम फिक्स नहीं कर सकते, सर्टेन नहीं है, ये डिपेंड करता है डाइस पर. नेक्स्ट, थर्ड सिचुएशन, फिक्स. इफ आई थ्रो अ कॉइन, I will गेट आइदर हेड और टेल। यदि मैंने टॉस को एक टॉस को फ्लिप किया है, कॉइन को टॉस किया है, तो या तो मुझे हेड मिलेगा या टेल मिलेगा। सो इट इज सर्टेन डेफिनेटली जब हम किसी कॉइन को टॉस करेंगे तो इट विल बी करेक्ट, या तो हमें हेड मिलता है या हमें टेल मिलता है। तो इस सेगमेंट पर हम बोल सकते हैं दिस इज द सर्टेन। So I hope the concept of the chance is clear. When we use certain, when should we use the possible, impossible, and happen but not certain, can happen but certain, like this. Next, when it comes to the probability. प्रोबेबिलिटी मीन सिंपल मीनिंग पॉसिबिलिटी। किसी भी इवेंट के उसके घटित होने के व्हाट इज द पॉसिबिलिटी, क्या है, व्हाट इज द पॉसिबिलिटी कि वो इवेंट डेफिनेटली होगा। देयर इज अ फार्मूला टू फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी और पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ एनी इवेंट। द फार्मूला इज probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcome divided by number of possible outcome. We understand by some examples. Take the examples of coin or dice. First, the example of coin. If I toss the coin, what is the probability that I will get only the head? मैंने एक कॉइन को टॉस किया है तो प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है कि मुझे सिर्फ हेड मिले। सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट, देयर आर ओनली टू आउटकम्स ऑफ द कॉइन, फर्स्ट हेड एंड द सेकंड टेल। आई विल रिप्रेजेंट जनरली कैपिटल H and capital T. So what is the number of several outcomes? What is the number of several outcomes? हमें क्या चाहिए? I need only the head. And head is only one. So number of several outcomes will be one. Now number of all possible outcomes. तो टोटल आउटकम कितने हैं जब किसी हम कॉइन को टॉस करेंगे? What are the all situations possible? So if we will toss a coin, there are only two situations possible, either head or either tail. There is not more than two possible event and not less than two. ना तो हमें three different उसके वो मिलेंगे, ना ही two से कम मिलेंगे। तो what is the total number of possible outcomes is two. So this is the probability that I will get only the head if I will toss a coin. Take different examples like a dice or die. We know that in a dice there are 6 numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the question is, if one student throw a dice, what is the probability to getting a number greater than 4? So first, how many numbers greater than 4? there are only two number greater than 4. So first we write favorable outcome. So what is the favorable outcome? Favorable outcome is result जो हमें चाहिए, which we want. We want only the number greater than 5. So what are the favorable outcomes? Only 5 and 6. हमें क्या चाहिए? Only 5 and 6. अब आते हैं हम probability पर. So what is the probability? What is the number of favorable outcomes? How many number are greater than 4? There are only two number greater than 4, 5 and 6. तो हमें नंबर लिखना है, मींस काउंट करना है, नॉट 5 and 6. This is one number, this is second number. So number of favorable outcomes, that is 2. Now divide by number of possible outcomes. What are the total outcomes of a dice? That is 6. So this is 2 by 6. We can convert this simplest form 1 by 3. So the probability of getting a number greater than 4, that is the 1 by 3. So this is the one example of dice related to the probability. I think some students did not understand. Please once again. Chance is the situation of the event, that is possible, impossible, certain and not certain. Okay? जैसे कि आज रेनिंग होगा. What are the chance कि आज रेनिंग होगी? Certain, maybe happen but not certain. हो सकता है कि आज रनिंग हो, but certain नहीं है. We cannot say कि आज compulsory रनिंग होगी. So these are the some situation of the chances and the probability. That is very simple. Only the number of favorable outcomes of the event and the number of all possible outcomes of events. As we understood by two examples, the coin and the dice. Okay, we will also discuss in some questions. Yeah, one doubt. Full form of H and T. H means head and T for tail. These are the two outcomes of a coin. जनरली हम इसका यूज करते हैं ना टॉस करने में. So the exercise 3.4, the first question. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. Here are given some situations. We need to find out what is the chance certain to happen. I am reading the one by one. First is, you are colder today than yesterday. You are older today than yesterday. It means our age will be greater than yesterday. What is the chance of this event? What is the chance of this event? This is certain to happen because it will definitely correct. Our age increasing by day. When we come to the next day, so definitely if the age of some person is yesterday, 15 years and 21 days. Now, what will be the his age on today? 15 years and 1 day, 22 days. So that will definitely correct certain for any person. So the answer of first point, certain to happen. Next point, a tossed coin will land heads up. जब हमने कोइन को टॉस किया तो उसका हमेशा हेड्स ही अप होगा, ऊपर आएगा. व्हाट इज द चांस? देखिए, जब हम किसी टॉस को सॉरी कॉइन को टॉस करेंगे तो ये तो हमें डेफिनेटली पता है या तो हेड आएगा या टेल आएगा, बट ये कंपल्सरी कभी नहीं होगा कि हमेशा हेड ही आएगा. मे बी हैपन बट नॉट कंपल्सरी. सो द आंसर may be happen but not certain. Can happen means in some situation it may be happen, but in all situation it is not compulsory, it is not certain but not certain. Third point, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. We tossed a die and it is maybe happen that he ate topper eye. It is possible? It is definitely impossible, because we know that on a die there are only number from 1 to 6. What is the chance? What is the chance? It is very easy, definitely impossible. तो एक उस पर है नहीं डाइस पर, तो आंसर इज इम्पॉसिबल. Next is fourth. The next traffic light seen will be green when we are going to a road, and sometimes some traffic lights are lighting. So what is the chance that traffic light will be green? There are three colors, we know that: green, yellow and red. What is the chance? Definitely, generally we go to the road, highway. Definitely one of the three lights we can see at the time. Either when we are going continue, this is the green. When we are stopping on a signal, that is the red. And when we are ready to stop and start, that will be the yellow. So all these three situations may be happen at any time. That will depend on the number of the traffic signal. What is the timing of traffic signal? So green light can happen. But not certain. कंपल्सरी नहीं है कि हमेशा में ग्रीन लाइट मिले. यदि ऐसा होगा तो कंटिन्यू ट्रैफिक चलता रहेगा, बहुत सारे एक्सीडेंट होंगे. यदि येलो लाइट रेड लाइट ऑन नहीं होगा तो. नेक्स्ट इज फिफ्थ पॉइंट. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. As I told recently about the raining, what is the chance that tomorrow will be a cloudy day or a clear sky or a hot day? What is the chance? Again, this is depend on the season. So we cannot assume, we cannot pre-decide about tomorrow. This is depend on the season. This is the same. Can happen, but not certain. So first question is complete. If there is any doubt, to find out the chance of anyone, please ask. By comment only. If any situation you are feeling the difficulty to find out the chance, you can share with me. If of any event. Yeah, we are coming to the probability, Sriya. Next question. Okay, so next, the second question. Now we come to the probability. Question number 18. There are 6 marbles in a box with numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. So in a box there are 6 marbles and there are some numbers marked on them from 1 to 6. One number on each marbles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. First point, what is the probability of drawing the marbles with number 2? Okay. First, all outcomes of marbles. First, we should write the all outcomes of the marble. What are the all outcomes? Only 6. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are only 6 outcomes. 6 is the number and these are the name of each outcome. Come to the first point. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? So first, हमें क्या नंबर चाहिए? What is the favorable outcome? Only 2. So we should write favorable outcome. Which number we want? Only 2. So that is the 2. Now find the probability. Probability is equal to number of favorable outcome divided by the number of all possible outcomes. So how many favorable outcome? Please reply. How many favorable outcome? देखिए यहाँ पर हमें इस नंबर को इग्नोर करना है. What is the outcome? Outcome को काउंट नहीं करना है. How many outcome? There is the number we should write. So there is only one number, one outcome. Okay, so the number of favorable outcomes is 1. आप इसे इग्नोर करिए. यहाँ पर 2 है, 3 है, 4 है, 5 है. कितने नंबर्स हैं? बस वो हमें लिखना है यहाँ पर. And divide by total outcomes. So what the total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the probability is 1 by 6. Okay, so the next point. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? Please reply. Okay, once again, what is the favorable outcome? That is the 5. And how many 5 in the marbles? There are only 1 5. So number of favorable outcomes is only 1. And total outcomes is the same for the same element. So total outcome will be 6. So again, probability is the 1 by 6. Suppose that यहाँ पर 6 नहीं है. There are 2 5. What will be the probability? Just for example, suppose that यहाँ पर 6 नहीं है. Okay, over. These are the outcomes. These are the number marked on the marbles. What will be the probability? I think wrong answer. Once again, just for example. First, what are the favorable outcomes? We need only 5. So how many 5? There are 2 5. So number of favorable outcomes is 2. But the total outcomes, one count कर लीजिए 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is 6. 1 by 3. Okay. So this was the last question. Please share your doubt. Ask your doubt. So since the answer is, my last example is 1 by 3. Okay, this is not the question of exercise. Generally I discuss with you. What is the probability? Probability is the possibility of an event happening. कोई भी event, उसके possibility क्या है कि वो event happens होगा. That is the probability. And the formula is number of favorable outcomes divided by number of all outcomes. Chetna is asking, sir, how 1 by 3? Once again, what is the number of favorable outcomes is 2. Why 2? Because we need 5. But how many 5 in the numbers? There are 2 5. So number of 5 2, and number of all outcomes 6. That is the 1 by 3. This is not a part of exercise. Just I explained to you. So okay. So we are going to end today's class. The last question number 3. Can you try to solve as homework? You can now leave the class. Thank you.
Bye, sir.